I just got this light. It came fully charged. So like if you bought it and you had to go right away, it would be fully charged, but it works super good. You can make it more of a white or more of a warm color. So you can adjust the color that it goes. You can also adjust the brightness. It's got a really good brightness adjuster. And then it comes with its own little stand, which I think is great because, well, it's nice to not have to buy something, and it has one that it comes with already. I thought it'd go a little bit higher, but it doesn't. So this is as high as it goes, but you can also, you could use this as like a selfie stand for your camera as well, because check it out. This could be a 2-for-1. If you had if you were in a pinch and you needed this for your camera, you could do that. I also like the fact that it comes with this little foot stopper. So if you have a selfie stand or like a stand that allows for a light on top, you can have this right on top of your tripod, which is actually what I have and what I'm really excited to use this for. It holds a charge. I've been using this all day and it holds a really good charge. Super easy, flat, and light, so you can travel with it. This is so much easier than traveling with like a ring light, which, you know, honestly, I never use my ring light, like use it a few times, and it's really big and bulky. But this one, super light, can pack up anywhere and go with you. And this is like my ultimate vlogging set. So highly recommend this. I couldn't say enough good things about it. It's perfection, in my opinion.